Then he realized panic wasn't the solution. He needed a plan.
So he wrote everything down and made it simple.
Instead of fighting everything at once, he focused on one task. He set a timer and promised himself just one focused session.
One small win changed everything. One small win changed everything.
The more he followed the checklist, the less chaotic everything felt.
The clock hadn't changed, but he had.
And finally, the last box was checked.
He didn't become more talented. He simply stopped leaving everything to chance.
Plan creates panic. A simple checklist creates control. Start list creates control. Start before panic starts.